Your webinar title is killing your registration. You don't have a content problem. You have a naming problem, a structure problem. And today I'm going to fix both in under 5 minutes using an AI tool. This is Livestorm free webinar title and outline generator. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to go from blank page to a fully structured webinar fast. Here's the truth most marketers ignore. Your webinar success is decided before anyone even joins. It comes down to two things, your title and your outline. Your title determines whether someone registers, your outline determines whether they stay. Mess up either one, and it doesn't matter how great your content is. A bad title equals low registration, a weak outline equals people dropping off halfway through, and in B2B that means leads you never capture. So let's fix it. So head over to livestorm.co/tool/webinar title outline generator. So it's completely free, no login will require. So for this example, I've put webinar ROI as a topic and a short description of the webinar. So it will be turning your webinars into a repeatable pipeline engine. So here you can choose your tone of voice. So I'll just keep it neutral for this one. And also for the audience knowledge, let's just assume that they're intermediate. Once this is done, you just click on this, done. And just like that, I've got multiple title options. So let's break down what we're looking at. So one, they lead with the outcome. The result is really front and center. And two, they're super specific. And three, also, they create a curiosity or urgency. So you just have to pick your favorite here or just mix and match element from a few. This will alone lift your registration rates. Now the outline. So you just have to click on this here. You generate the outline and magic. So this is where it is the most important. So look at what the tool generates, like a full session structure broken into clear section. Let's just wait for it to finish. Perfect. So the opening, so the first 5 minutes hook the audience. So set the agenda, establish the credibility. This is where you earn the next 45 minutes of their attention. So the tools give you a specific framing to use right here. And then there's the core blocks. So usually 3 to 4 key teaching sessions. Each one builds on the last. Notice that the tool suggests the type of content for each block, problem, solution, example. That's not an accident. That's the format that keeps people engaged. And at the end, of course, there's the Q&A session. This is where the most webinars fall flat. They just end. So the outline reminds you to include a strong close, a next step, and offer a reason to take action right now. So you can take this outline directly into your slide deck and start building. It's essentially your entire presentation framework handed to you. Now, don't just copy paste blindly. Tip number 1, swap in your audience language. If your buyer says revenue acceleration, not pipeline, use that. The tools give you the structure, but you add the voice. Tips 2, add a data point or case study to each content section. One stat or one story per section is what separates a forgettable webinar. 3, stress test your title with your team. Read it out loud. If someone who doesn't know your product can understand why they should attend, you've got a winner. That's it. In less than 5 minutes, you went from 0 to a webinar title and a session outline that keeps people watching until the end. The tool is completely free. Link in the description. Go try it right now with your next webinar topic. And if you want to take it further, Livestorm blog has a deep dive guide on building the perfect outline. I'll link that below. If this was useful, hit that subscribe. We post weekly videos. See you on the next one.